Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this one recently and talked about how, a decision was going to need to be made, and the decision happened, and it was all bulls. Got the breakout through that pink line, the 200 period, and you can see from there, price exploded very nicely upwards. So certainly some updates need to be made because from a technical perspective and trading jargon, a breakout is now underway. Now it's just a matter of can the price get continuation from this breakout. Or in other words, another word for continuation would be can the price start to make some signs of progress. And in this situation, I'm going to define quote unquote progress is right there at 68 cents. How is this an area of progress? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but just to keep in mind, let's say that the price were to come down here and then just continue on down. Now, does that mean the entire chart's destroyed? It doesn't, but think about it relative to the breakout. If the price were to close down below here, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of the area that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say the price goes back down here, and once again, history repeats itself like it did right there. So it goes sideways and then starts to work its way back upwards. Well, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have that set of lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. Or in other words, the breakout is getting continuation. So in my mind, 68 cents, a very important level in terms of kind of answering the question of whether or not this breakout is a true breakout where it's going to keep on breaking out and getting continuation, or if this is just one of these faulty breakouts. But as of right now, sure, it pulled back from its highs, but it's still maintaining and staying out of that range that it just broke out from, and that is the key. What about levels of resistance? Initial level of resistance is just simply where the party stopped today on that breakout, and that was right up there at 72 cents. So that'll be the main focal point going forward from the resistance side of things. But all in all, extremely nice day today. Like I said, from the trading perspective, technical jargon, a breakout is now underway. So we have a technical pattern breakout. Now it's just a question of can the breakout get continuation? Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.